Good morning, dear friends. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Now we are going to see chapter 6, subject and predicate. Standard 7, chapter 6, subject and predicate. Let us start the lesson. Every sentence has basically two parts. The part which names the person or thing that is being spoken about is called the subject of the sentence. The part which tells us something about the subject is called the predicate of the subject. So, dear students, always subject is in the beginning of the sentence and rest of the part is predicate. So, we will move to the examples. First, the sun gives us light and heat. So, the subject is the sun, gives us light and heat is the predicate. Rohan and his mother, both are subject. Arrived this morning is predicate. The judge questioned the witness. The judge is a subject and questioned the witness is a predicate. The subject is in bold type face and the predicate has been underlined in the above sentence. Generally, the subject of the sentence comes in at the beginning, but sometimes can be placed later in the sentence. That means the subject always, usually it comes always in the beginning, but sometimes it moves at the end of the sentence also. So they have given some example. Here comes our monitor. So our monitor is a subject. Okay, so they have put predicate front and then the subject behind. Gone are the days of our children. The days of our children is a subject. Gone are is a predicate. Sweeter are the uses of adversity. The uses of adversity is a subject and sweet are predicate. In imperative sentence, the subject is understood as you. For example, sit down there, show me the painting, listen to this song. Now these are the sentences which is not a subject, they have not shown, okay, but in this sentence the subject is hidden. Okay, the subject is hidden. So they are telling sit down there. Whom they are telling? There is somebody. Okay, there is somebody. They are telling somebody sit down there. So always here subject will come as you. Okay, as you. See, here they have given in imperative sentences the subject is understood as you. They have not shown you, but the subject is hidden in the sentence. So you sit down there. Okay, it will come like this. You sit down there. Okay, then show me the painting. Please show me the painting. Or you, then comma, then show me the painting. It may come like this also. So dear students, when like this sentences come, you must understand that you is hidden in this sentence. Okay, so they don't show the you, but the you is hidden in the sentence. Sit down there, please go there. Okay, please come here, please wash that. This sentence is telling something to somebody. Okay, so the you as a subject is hidden in this sentence. We will move to the exercise. Exercise number 6. Separate the subject, the predicate in each of the following sentences. First, they doted on her. So they is a subject, doted on her is a predicate. Next, she burst into tears and ran off. She is a subject, burst into tears and ran off is a predicate. Now dear students, here is a sentence which has got no subject. That means subject is hidden in this sentence. So the whole sentence is predicate as I told you before, but there is no subject. So you must write you, then you must put dash and then write go and get me some food. Purposely I have left the line or left the sentence to know you about this sentence. This Sunday is going to be a busy day. This Sunday is a subject. Going to be a busy day is a predicate. She had read the description of this view several times. She is a subject. Had read the description of this view several times is a predicate. One of the most important programs of the first day was Skywatch. One of the most important program of the first day is a subject. Okay, this will come as a subject. Then was the Skywatch will come as a predicate. Now here there is another sentence which has got no subject, but the whole sentence is shown as a predicate, but still it has shown you. It has not shown you in the sentence, but it is hidden. Be careful when you walk, dear children. Okay, so the subject is behind. Okay, subject is at the end of the sentence. Be careful when you walk, dear children. So dear children is subject. Be careful when you walk is a predicate. So dear students, here are altogether 25 sentences. You have to do it. I have shown you already 7. Rest all, you can do it as a homework. Thank you.